Hello everyone, this is Sakshi and I welcome you all to my EduTech platform Way to Learn. So today I am going to solve some of the problems from Standard 10. It's again Chapter 12 Electricity, and the topic under Chapter 12 Electricity today is potential difference. In my last video I spoke about flow of charges produces electric current, right? So we have to know how do these charges flow? It can't flow automatically, right? So there should be something which makes these charges to flow. So let me start with some examples. I assume that this is a rod and the temperature at this end is T1 and the temperature at this end is T2. So if I heat the rod at one end, that is at temperature T1, okay, at the same instant you're touching the other end of the rod, you won't feel the same heat, right? So after a few seconds, the heat spreads all over the rod and it becomes equal all over the rod, right? So before the heat flows entirely in the rod, what happens? There is a temperature difference at T1 and T2. So this temperature difference makes the heat to flow. Okay, so even the heat to flow needs a temperature difference, right? So now let us assume that this is a pipe, water pipe, and can you say if water will flow from this pipe? I say no, because the ends of the pipe are at the same height, hence there is no pressure difference. And here is another pipe. Now the height of the two the height of the two ends from the ground is different, right? So there is a pressure difference occurring, and you can say that water will flow through this pipe. So first, for the heat to flow, we require temperature difference, and for now the water to flow, we require potential difference. Sorry, pressure difference, right? So similarly, our charges flow in order to produce electric current. So these charges to flow, they require potential difference. Okay, so potential difference is nothing but the difference in the potential at the one point and the other point. Okay, so let us learn what is exactly potential difference. So this potential difference can be produced by a battery in the circuit. Okay, so how do this potential difference occur in a battery? So in a battery, a chemical reaction takes place which generates potential difference. So this potential difference is created from chemical reaction, right? So we will see what does this chemical reaction do. So this chemical reaction separates the negative ions on the negative terminal and positive ions to the positive terminal. So there is a difference occurring in the ions. So if you see, the negative ions will be more when compared to your positive ions. So there is a difference in ions, and hence at that time a potential difference occurs. So now how do these charges flow? So when the conductor is connected with the battery, this potential difference sets the charges to flow. So potential difference is the main reason for the charges to flow inside a circuit. Okay, and also let me say that here is a point A and point B in a circuit. Now a charge has to flow from point A to point B. So potential difference basically does that, right? So potential difference sets the charge to flow from point A to point B. So another definition for potential difference is also the work done in moving a charge from one point to other. So using this definition, I can say that potential difference is equal to work done by charge. So this is a new formula for potential difference, which is W by Q. And also I told that there is a difference in the potential at the two ends. So if I say that the difference, okay, the potential at point A is VA and the potential at point B is VB, then if I take the difference, I'll get my potential difference. So this is also the other way to find the potential difference. So SI unit of potential difference is volt. So this is important, you have to learn this. Okay. Now I told that SI unit is volt and can also write that 1 volt is equal to 1 joule by 1 coulomb. How do I get this 1 joule and 1 coulomb? Because work done has the SI unit joule and charge has the SI unit coulomb. So I'm just substituting my units into my formula and I get 1 volt as 1 joule per coulomb. So if your question consists of like it can have volt as a unit or it can also have joules per coulomb as a unit. So you have to remember these both units are the same. So this expression just says that 1 joule of work is done to move 1 coulomb of charge from one point to the other. Okay, so in my last video, I told that current is measured using an instrument ammeter. Similarly, we have to measure potential difference, right? So it is also measured using an instrument called voltmeter. I hope you understand this concept. So let us go for a problem which says that work done in moving a charge from of 10 coulomb across 2 points in a circuit is 100 joule. What is the potential difference across the points? So we have charge which is 10 coulomb and the work done in moving this charge is 100 joules. What is the potential difference? So I say that here is my charge at point A and now it has to move to point B. So the work done in moving this charge from point A to point B is 100 joules and this charge is 10 coulombs. So I know the formula and I'm substituting in it. I get potential difference V to be 100 by 10 which is 10 volt. So let us go to our next problem which says that how much work is done in moving a charge of 2 coulomb across 2 points having a potential difference 12 volt. Now here in this case I have charge and I have potential difference. Now here I need to find my work done, right? So using this formula you can directly find what is work done. So W is equal to Q into V. That is Q is the charge and V is the potential difference. So we can find the work done in moving this charge to get the potential difference as 12 volt. So I'm just doing it. That is you get 24 joules which says that 24 joules of amount of work is done to move this charge of 2 coulomb from a point to other point which produces a potential difference of 12 volt. So I hope you understand this potential difference concept and it will be easy for you to work out this problem. And if you have any doubt regarding this concept or the problem, comment me, I'll help you out. So thank you. Do not forget to like my videos, share my videos, subscribe my channel and also do not forget to hit the bell. So only when you hit the bell, you're going to get my notifications. So and also stay tuned for more videos on standard 10, 11, 12 and also standard 9 and also for CSI Net Physical Sciences and GATE Physics exams. So see you tomorrow. Ta-da!